Hey everybody, so we have another guess what's in the box video. Well, it's a large Amazon bag. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have another guess what's in the box video. Well, it's a bag. But we're gonna measure it real quick. It's 10 1/4 inches wide by 14 1/4 inches long, and let's see, the tallest point, it's about 3 1/8 of an inch tall. Only hint I'm gonna give is that this is a DJI Osmo Action camera accessory. There should be 2 in this bag, 2 accessories. What are your guys' guesses? What do you think's in the bag? You know, I do like doing these videos. I don't make you guys wait on these videos other than a day. When I record these, I record the guess what's in the bag or the box video, and then right after that I unbox it or unbag it and we do a video about it. But these are just for fun, you know, entertainment. It passes time for me when I'm not busy, and it makes, you know, fun interactive content for the channel. I have been thinking about, you know, what, instead of, you know, you just being happy that you got the guess right, I've been thinking about maybe there's something I might do on a, you know, as a giveaway. You know, I'm not sure yet. I don't have any t-shirts or any stickers or anything like that. But if I do, you know, maybe if I come across some stickers or have extra stickers to give out, maybe I will do something like that as a giveaway, where I just send out, you know, some bulk stickers that I have. I do have several Wrench Trench Garage stickers from a buddy of mine. He does Wrench Trench Garage, which is Walkin' Mondu. I have several of his stickers. I purchased a bunch of his stickers, and then he ended up sending me a bunch of stickers when he sent me a t-shirt. But you know, maybe if you guess these right, maybe I'll just, you know, get addresses and information from you guys, and I'll start sending out some stickers. But I do appreciate your guys' time, and, you know, I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and you know, just having fun with the you know, guess what's in the items videos, you know, guess what's in the bag or the boxes. It's been pretty entertaining for me to just make these short little videos, and I think they're fun. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I appreciate you guys sticking around and playing along with the guessing game. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links down below. Comments and down below as well, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.